Ah, papa, c'est ça, non,
c'est bon.
Yes.
C'est bateau. This is Dakar. Oh, be careful. Touch Simba.
Simba. Lion King.
Simba. Touch all the rails. Simba, boy. Oh, tu as un château là. Dakar. Yeah. We need one. Yeah.
Hello.
I do. Just put your hand in this pocket.
In this pocket?
Yeah.
Perfect.
You get two,
Thank
yeah?
you.
Two. Me and my wife.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Just sit in front here, I think. It's more perfect for you.
Oh, space is out small.
More blue. Can you ask for an island?
Where?
Oh, for kitchen. Kitchen and bed. Yeah. One extra do. What's up?
Oh, my buto.
Those are some news. Those are what stuff. Some for me.
So donc kita bona filmé o. Hein?
Non, bah
Obini. Po o mona mulili. O mona.
Mona no.
Dakar.
Na pi butu.
No butu. Ah bien.
Mona ga Dakar. Yo kutu ona poma misu. Nana ga Dakar te mona ga Dakar parce que ay mona no. Vous êtes là pour ma miche. Et il y a le fait que ce tel monde l'hôtel n'a pas mon anga boutou. Ce monde est au Sénégal l'hôtel n'a pas mon anga n'a pembe.
Faut non il ça la télé à banjo.
C'est.
Bon like.
Na meki na changer na ibite na hôtel. Senegal pela on finit Simon sur le hôtel. Ngaye pia.
Hein?
Ngaye pia combo mom. Mais que non je sera be pon. Ni avec ça. On flot. Ouais, je fais ça.
Back, it's 10 past.
C'est ça. Monsieur mon on un peu s'appelle. Ça tient dans la carte. Mota.
Business was up here.
Château.
Any commission.
De report quoi?
Yeah, but c'est bien organisé.
OK.
Bakoko wana bazongi na bango.
Bimi?
Bazongi na wana kati.
Kaba utinga. Beti tour ka. Ba biso beta nga tour ka port ni na tal ya zona.
Oza ulesa tu. Fallait tout tambra na biso.
Ba yang suka. De ma 2 miles de là. Some W 1.5 to 2 miles. It means too much. Is that 1.5 too? Maybe 1 mile. But nem rama be bato ndio rama be ndeka South Africa. Spola na bato nsipabo. O make o chamuta koma kwa afila wala za. Na boy tema. Lem ta boy ici, hein? So Tunis faveur. On a tika bena la kiso. So aboy ti.
Ni na Congo landela switch ndenge. Na mindele kutu bakana batika na bango yo bakena bango.
No, yo landa ngo bosan. Namna tamla kanja.
Very hard. What can I do?
We want you to change the weather.
No,
we want you to change it.
Change. Oh, okay. How are you? Okay, make sure you keep your money good because we do have some pickpocket around. So people are nice, but everywhere, you know, all the big cities are the same. You must be careful. Otherwise, people are nice, no problem. Have a good day. Almost 2 million and a half are living in Senegal and in Dakar and the suburbs.
Who's a pay by the euro to this?
And a half.
No, say what English.
And we have 17 different languages. Dialect, yes. So you must learn one of them. Wolof.
Wolof.
Wolof, yes.
How do you say hello?
Hello, Nangadef.
Nangandef.
Nangadef.
Nangandef.
Yes.
How do you answer?
Answer. Mangi virek.
Mai vire.
Mangi virek.
Mangi virek. Nangandef. Mangi virek. Mangi virek.
And we took our independence 1960 from Charles de Gaulle. Do you know him? De Gaulle, General de Gaulle. It was 1960.
How was he treating you? How was de Gaulle treating you?
De Gaulle?
Yeah.
I was young that time. I was already, you know, because I was born in 46.
Okay.
I was young.
I'm on 46.
Where you from?
Myself?
Where you from?
From Congo.
The Congo.
Are you from Congo?
Yeah.
Your team defeated our team yesterday.
A bit.
Your team.
Yeah.
Team.
Yeah.
Feminine women.
Yeah.
You defeat us.
We beat you.
Yes.
How many goals?
Just 1 goal, 0.
Congolese women are strong, eh?
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh, you've got a lady.
That's so good.
Very good.
Where was the match? Is it here?
In Congo.
In Congo, okay.
Yes. No, in Guinea Equatorial.
Okay, Equatorial Guinea. Okay.
Guinea.
Okay. Are you going to show?
Those who need to go to the market, you can follow me when we go to the terminal. Those who want to go to the market. Opposite at the railway station. It links Senegal and Mali.
Oh, Mali is just here?
Mali is about 1,000 kilometers away from here.
Yeah. Okay, that railway goes to Mali.
The railways, it was built in 1926.
Okay. You can take a train there to Mali?
Yes.
How much does it cost?
No, it costs about 20,000.
How much in
$40 US.
40 US dollars? Okay, that's return or just one way?
No, yes, just one way.
One way, okay. That means $80 return.
Yes.
Is it to Bamako?
Yes, we go to Bamako. It depends where you're going in Mali.
Okay, that's good. Good price. What about the war there in Mali? Is still war? It's finished.
They're trying to fix it up, but it is still the Tuareg. They're still around. Right?
Okay.
And they want to take the country, control the country.
Sad.
This is the
Yeah, sit down. You see me?
city hall.
Oh, yes. Because at Dakar, I feel like oh, ici, on a ma collègue, moi, passe. So young, c'est bon. C'est non, young, de rien. Oui, bien, c'est là, hein, mais tu vas bien ailleurs. Pour vous, bon, à tout. Il y a un moment là, là. Papa n'a ibis, non? Pero kalau sisa mo na gabo po na ang konda sai buro me malari. Papa kalau sisa kol 66 ans.
Bango penago ko bazana nani nazona kishasa. Kazan. Bahas na bango mo na papa.
Kenapa?
Ha?
Semblang ko pesa mo na banda. Tala kuna bonga pro tinga mo.
Chamber of Commerce.
Mais papa, le but est place de Tokomi, place de Zokende.
Senegal na Dakar. Nous avons été à Dakar, donc nous avons guidé à l'exhibition. On a leur papa, on a vraiment la c'est ça. On n'a pas beaucoup à dire, donc c'est ça.
Those who want to come with me?
On s'est bien avoué de non.
Ah oui, moi des autres.
Police, are you coming with me or what?
Where are we going?
To the market.
To the market.
Yes.
After here, we go somewhere else, yeah?
No. After here, we come back here, pick the bus and go back to the ship.
No, okay, this is the end.
Well, you can do what you like after you've been with him.
Okay.
Oui, c'est bon,
Okay. Can pass.
Thank you.
Okay. Voilà.